Good morning. Today's class, let us going to see about management accounting. Okay, already we have discussed about the classification of accounts in two parts. One is financial accounting and as well as the other one is cost accounting. Let us see this. Going to see third part. The third part is management accounting. So in this, the management accounting pyramid is there. How should be means? One is top level management, second one is middle level, and the last one is lower level. So in this, how we going to segregate with this means, in the top level we know that who will be top level means the most priority person, higher priority. This should be CEO or board of directors, the particular owner of the company, one who is running the company. So this person comes under top level. As well as in the middle level, the various department heads will be there. For example, there are, we can take it as some company. In this, there is a lot of departments are there. For example, purchase departments, sales departments, finance departments, accounts, various departments are there. In that particularly, the in-charge person is there. For example, it should be called as a supervisor. So it's not a supervisor or a manager or anything else. So that person should be comes under this part, middle part. And the last one is lower. So lower is nothing but should be the person, the particular middle level management persons, they are allotting the work to the lower level persons. It should be nothing but labor or there lower level. Okay. So these are the things should be management pyramid, top level, middle level and then lower level. Let us going to conclude with some example. For example, let it be, if you are students, if you are coming to study for we can conclude to this. Let us be going to take a institution match. How will be in the institution should be. For example, our institution how aligned with this top level means. For example, let me take it as top level will be chairman, secretary ma'am, TD sir as well as principal. This person sir comes under top level, dean sir, anything else. And then second one is middle level. So middle level is nothing but, for example, there is a lot of departments there, commerce department, computer science departments. For that particular departments, there is a one person, that heads. Heads will be coming under top, middle level, as well as under the heads, the staff will be working. With the private action of heads, the staff will be working. So in this, as well as heads and staffs will be in middle level. Finally, in this lower level, for example, some staffs will be allotting work to class representative. That class representative will be sharing the information to their class members. So that particular class representative as well as students comes under lower level. This should be connected with our institution. How the institution will be under this pyramid category. Okay, let us going to discuss about some points about management accounting. First one is providing accounting information. How will you provide the accounting information? Whether the accounting information should be, first thing is, should be accurate data. If we are giving some fraud data or misrepresentation data, it should not be takeover. It should be following under the correct action. So corrective measures and corrective actions want to be takeover to giving the providing information should be correct one. The second one is taking corrective actions. Taking corrective actions is nothing but, for example, we can't judge. So every department is aligned with same thing. For example, purchase departments maybe for 1 year we can take it as the purchase will be moreover high. So as well as at the same time, sales, marketing, a lot of departments are there. Should be not in the same forum. So it should be change over the thing. And then next one is taking important decisions. How will you take the decisions? So basically, we know that if you are running a company for 1 year means the company is going in the right position or not, we can easily judge. By that judgment, we are going for next level. Next level is nothing but should be decision making. How will you take over correct decision to run over the company in correct way? For example, we need additional funds or additional resources to equip with that inside the company, means we can going for next level. Okay, so decision is important one. So in the decision forum, what are the persons will be comes under means it's nothing but the top level and as well as middle level only in decision And the last one is internal use. It's nothing but internal use is nothing but it should be takes place inside the company. So inside the company means this whatever things and whatever resources has been happened inside the company, not takes place outside the company. If it takes place outside the company means it becomes under external use. And then last one is increase in efficiency. Okay, how will we increase the efficiency means it's nothing but by the way of production. Thank you for this.